Today, we're going to show you how to install your LED strip light set on your watercraft. Tools needed for this installation are drill bits, Phillips screwdriver, wire crimpers, a heating source, a pencil, box knife, a tape measure, and wire connectors. Prepare the area where you wish to install your new LED flex light kit. Take into consideration where the access to wiring is and if you'll have proper screw clearance. Use the LED track light ends as a template to mark a safe mounting spot. Make sure your switch is in the off position. And disconnect the battery prior to wiring. Drill an appropriate sized hole into the track. Beware of drilling into hull, other wires, lines, fuel, or water tank. Attach with included hardware. Carefully snap the LED strip into the track with the LED portion facing outward. Be sure to make necessary wire connections to the 12-volt power supply. Ensure that a fuse or breaker is protecting the circuit. If you are installing an LED combination flex light, please ensure that all 3 wires are installed properly. Please see the respective wiring diagram on your included instructions sheet. Use your heating source on the heat shrink wire connectors to make a watertight seal. Be sure to reconnect your battery. After your battery is reconnected, it's time to test out your new LED kit.